Hello everyone, this is the video of legal studies and the topic that we have been discussing from last a few videos, that is tort law. And in this video we will discuss that is the purpose of tort law. Okay, so this is the kind of concept that you should understand. Though by the time you understood what is the tort law, what are the consequences, the types, everything you understood by the time. But we didn't discuss what is the purpose of this tort law. So in this video, I will be discussing the purpose of the tort law. Okay. So tort law, as you can see that primarily the purpose of tort law is to protect individuals' right. Furthermore, if someone violated someone's right, then tort law makes available the damages or compensation for the loss that he/she suffered because of the intentional or negligent act of the defendant. Now, let's understand this concept with this table. This table will define and clarify your doubts regarding the purpose of tort law. The first one is to protect the individual's right, especially given by the constitution, state or even other legal rights. All such rights of an individual are protected under the tort law. Okay, simple. The next one is to provide damages compensation. So primarily what this law is doing, it is protecting your interest. But in case if someone violates or infringes someone's right, then the law orders defendant to pay the compensation to victim. So primarily it is protecting your interest, but someone violates that and violates basically your interest, damage your property or body or anything of such type, then he will be liable for this. And this law will make available the damages that is caused by that person. Okay. The last one is deterrence. What does it mean? That the provision of paying the compensation by the defendant to the victim for a wrongful act, it deters others not to do any such act. So it creates some sort of fear in your mind, because if you damage someone else's property, then you will be held liable for that. You have to pay the damages against that damaged or loss that you caused to that person. So these are the major purposes of tort law. I believe you must understood now why tort law is so important, isn't it? So it is though civil wrong, but still it is so beautiful concept, provision that makes available the damages or the loss that caused by someone else. So it's not like that someone else's mistake you will suffer. No, whomever doing the mistake, he or she will suffer. Okay, so this is all about the tort law. I believe you must understood. Even if you have confusion regarding any concept of the tort law, you go back and watch it again. Okay, that will resolve your confusion. So see you in next video with new topic.